How to unblock someone on Facebook. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Facebook allows you to block the people on the Facebook for various reasons such as security issues, privacy settings, and much more. However, if you now want to unblock someone, here is a way out. For that, first of all, go to your Facebook and log in into your account. Now, tap on the profile icon on the top right and then scroll down to the bottom. After that, select on Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. Now, scroll down again until you find the section of Audience and Visibility. There you have the option of blocking. Tap on it and you can see the list of people you have blocked. Just tap on the unblock button right next to them and then tap on unblock. This will allow the other person to see your post. However, if you wish to add another person to the block list, here is the option to add the users as well. Just tap on the add button, write the name and you're good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.